You're about to learn some of the most amazing effects and hacks that you can do in CapCut to take your videos to the next level and make your videos look more professional and engaging. If you find value in this video, then you know what to do. Give this video a like, drop a comment down below, and consider subscribing for more videos like this in the future. You know I don't like long intros, so let's get started. Adding stock footages to your videos not only make your videos look more professional, but also increases engagement and make your viewers love watching your videos. So next hack, I'm going to show you where to download free and amazing stock footages and how to add them to your videos. You can get free and amazing stock footages from Pexels. So you can go to pexels.com or you can simply download the Pexels app. So let's go ahead and open the app and you can explore the content here, or you can simply just search for some content on top right here. So we're going to say frustrated woman using a laptop, for example. So as you can see, you have amazing stock footages here that we can use. We have photos, you have videos, and if you look at the videos, you have the landscape format and you have the vertical format or the portrait format. So if you need a portrait or vertical format for your short videos, you also have them here as well. You can even filter it if you like by clicking on this filter button right here. So over here, if you look at the orientation, if you want only portrait, you can select portrait. If you want landscape, you can also select landscape. So we're going to apply filters and we're going to refresh it. So as you can see, we now have only landscape. So feel free, explore all the options or all the amazing content that we have on the Pexels app. So let's say we're going to use this particular one. We're going to click it. So to download it, all you have to do is click on the download button right here, then click on download video and select the size of your choice, then click on download video at the bottom. And it is going to be downloaded and saved to your gallery. So now let's go back to CapCut. So let's say you want to add this to this particular project. Click on overlay at the bottom, then add overlay, then simply select the video, then click on add at the bottom. And now you can resize it however you like and place it wherever you like on your screen. Next hack, I'm going to show you how to adjust the volume of your music to make your videos sound more interesting and more professional. So as you can see, I have some music right here. So let's play it and see. You're about to learn some of the most amazing effects and hacks that actually it is very loud right now. So I'm going to show you how you can actually make your music fade in when it is beginning, and at the end of the video I'm going to show you how you can make it fade out. So over here we will make it fade in so that it doesn't just start abruptly. So I'm going to show you how you can actually do that. So you select the music, then click on the keyframes button right here, and we're going to bring the volume to 0, and then we'll come somewhere here and click on the volume, then bring it to, let's say, 15. Now instead of the music starting abruptly right here, it is going to instead fade in. So it will start from volume 0 to volume 15. So it is going to sort of like fade in and it is going to sound more interesting. So let's hear that. You're about to learn some of the most amazing effects and hacks that you can do in CapCut. Okay, interesting. So we're going to come to the end of the clip. So select the video. We're going to select the music and we're actually going to split it up since the video ends right here. Then click on delete to delete this part. Okay, so let's hear this. I like long intros, so let's get started. Did you hear how the music just stopped abruptly? We don't want that to happen. So we're going to start somewhere here, then select the music, then click on the keyframes button. Then we're going to come to the end and bring it to 0. So now it is going to fade out. It will not just stop abruptly, it will instead fade out. Hence, it will make it sound more interesting and more natural. So let's see that. More videos like this in the future. You know I don't like long intros, so let's get started. Amazing. Next hack, I'm going to show you how you can actually make your cover photos or your thumbnails right in the CapCut app. This is very useful, especially when you are editing your shorts. So to do that, all you have to do is click on the cover button right here, and you can design your cover photo or your thumbnail right here. First off, you can scroll like this and find action moments in your video that you will use as your thumbnail or cover photo. Your cover photo is what people will see before they click on your video. So it has to be something very catchy so that when people see it, they are likely going to click and watch your video. So if you have action or good pictures too in your videos, like this particular video, we have Ronaldo's picture inside, we have Messi's picture inside, you can select this as your thumbnail. So you can select nice or attractive pictures from your video. Ronaldo is a popular guy and people are likely going to click to watch your video. Alright, so once you select the frame of your choice, now the next thing, you can also add text if you like. So you can do that by clicking on the text button right here and write something very catchy about your video. Let's say, I'm just going to say 10 million views. I'm going to presume that this is about how to get views or something. Alright, so let me quickly just style the text. First of all, click on font and I'm going to change the font to this one. Click on styles and I'm going to style it like this. Alright, let's resize it and place it somewhere like that. Okay, let's click on OK. Alright, so next you can also use, if you check here, you see use templates. You can also use some of the templates available here if you like. Alright, you can also see select from album right here. So if you have designed or you have an attractive image from your gallery that you want to use as your thumbnail, or you have a thumbnail already in your gallery that you want to use, you can click on select from album, then select the image, and then you can use it. So once you're done, all you have to do is click on the save button at the top right corner and it will be saved. So now when you save your video, it will be attached to the beginning of your video. It is just few seconds, I think 1 second or so, it will be attached to your video. And when you go to upload your shot, when you get your point where you need to select your cover photo or your thumbnail, all you have to do is scroll to this particular frame, the first part where you have this particular cover photo, then you select it as your cover photo or thumbnail. The next hack I'm going to show you will make your captions appear more boldly and more visible, especially your short videos. I'm sure you have seen a lot of short videos where you have some black gradient or white gradient or whatever at the bottom, and then you have captions on it, and it makes the captions appear more visible, and overall it makes the video looks even more professional. Alright, so I'm going to show you how you can actually do the black gradient. So you select the video. As you can see, I already have some captions here, and I'm going to show you how you can make the black gradient. So you select the video, then you scroll all the way to mask. So let's click on mask, then click on the horizontal option. So now you drag this yellow horizontal bar to your preferred position. I'm going to leave it somewhere here, and then now you use this white arrow pointing down to simply adjust the transparency. So as you can see, so let's adjust the transparency of the edges like this. So as you can see, let's click on OK. This is looking way more good. It's looking way more professional, and as you can see, the text or captions appear more visible and more boldly. And lastly, you can turn your dim and boring looking video into a more professional one by color grading it. So if your video is dark or if your video is not looking good enough, you can actually color grade or adjust your video right in CapCut to make it look more professional. So I'm going to show you how you can actually color grade your videos. So let's select the video and scroll all the way to adjust. So click on adjust, and as you can see, we have some tools here, and we're going to go through some of these tools. The first thing we have here is brightness. So you can use it to brighten up your video. As you can see, my video is already bright up, so I don't think I'll use brightness. So if your video is dark or dim, maybe you don't have enough lighting, you can use the brightness to increase the brightness of your video. So let's add a bit of contrast, which basically increases or deepens the blacks in the video. So like I said, you have to just play around with them, go forward, go back like this, and see what they actually do. That's how you can be able to understand how to color grade your videos very well. Play around with them and see how they impact the video. Alright, so saturation, I think I'll add a little bit, 5. Brilliance, I don't think I'll add some brilliance. Sharpen, which I use the most, as you can see, it really sharpens the video. So I usually use 70, 50 to 70, something like that. So some of these tools are not really that. You can add highlights if you like, which basically increases or removes the whites in the video. You can also add shadows or remove shadows, as you can see. Okay, I don't think I'll add any of shadows. So you go to temperature. If you want to make your video warm, or you want to go this side like this, like daylight kind of vibe, you can use temperature to do that, and many others. We have fade, which basically fades the video like this. We have vignette, which basically adds some kind of shadows at the edges of the video like that. If you go here, it gives some white vignette. If you go here, it gives black vignette. Alright, so you have grains, which basically adds grains to your video. Alright, so that is how you can calibrate or adjust your videos to make them look more professional. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you found value in this video, then give it a like and consider subscribing for more amazing content coming your way. Also, let me know in the comment section down below which tip you found very useful, and let me know which topic you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.